Hey guys, Apple is a top smartphone and tech manufacturer for decades. Their iPhone series, Apple Watch series and iPad series are the most popular devices in the world. And today we have the good news for the iPad fans. Apple has been rumored to bring a completely redesigned iPad mini for quite some time now. We have seen the manufacturing case last week. It was not completely the device, but it showed thinner bezels, no Touch ID home button and the squared off side similar to iPad Air. It was trying to give us a slight image of the iPad 6 mini. The 6th Gen mini is believed to launch later this year, possibly around the iPhone 13 launch. And the latest renders of the device, designed by Michael Ma, gave us our best look yet at the small tablet complete with its key specs. The upcoming iPad 6 mini will essentially be a more compact version of the 4th generation iPad Air with an 8.4 inches liquid retina display with a 60Hz refresh rate and uniform bezels. It will operate on iPad OS and it will be available in space grey, silver, rose gold, green and sky blue colors. There will be other changes too, like joining its larger sibling in swiping out the lightning port for a USB Type-C port. Yes, there will be a Type-C port. Apple's 5nm A14 Bionic chipset is expected to power the tab, while the storage is said to vary between 64, 128 and 250 gigs. The new mini will also reportedly work with Apple's 3rd generation Pencil stylus and will come in Wi-Fi only and 5G terms. The tablet will also bring a Touch ID scanner housing in the power button. Talking about the pricing, some reports says the iPad mini 6 pricing is expected to remain at $399. The iPad mini boasts 64GB of internal storage capacity, which makes it a superior value proposition compared to a $329 iPad with 32GB of storage. The iPad mini has been one of the Apple's most underrated products. Thus, it is no surprise that Apple has been planning for the release of its new iPad mini for quite some time and will be releasing later this fall along with the new iPhones and the latest Apple Watch. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.